Hi friends, in this quiz on female reproductive system, you have 15 questions and 5 seconds to answer. And this will serve as a practice test for all competitive exams in life sciences. Question number 1. Which organ is responsible for producing the oocytes? Options are A. Uterus, B. Ovaries, C. Vagina. Your time starts now. The answer is ovaries. Ovaries are the primary female gonads that store and releases eggs monthly. Question number 2. Which is the site of fertilization? Options are fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix. Your time starts now. The answer is fallopian tubes. So as you see, ovary produces eggs and that eggs enters into the fallopian tube and sperm reaches the fallopian tube through this uterus where fertilization or fusion of sperm with the egg takes place. Specifically, the sperm meets the egg in the ampulla, a wider region of the fallopian tube. Question number 3. Which muscular organ is the site where a fetus develops? Option A, vagina, B, fallopian tube, C, uterus. The answer is uterus. Uterus or womb provides the environment that is needed for the fetal growth, providing all nourishment till the maturation of the fetus. What is the name of the narrow opening at the base of the uterus? Fundus, cervix, endometrium. It is called the cervix. So this is the cervix, the narrow opening at the base of the uterus. The cervix connects the uterus to the vagina and produces a protective mucus. Cervix dilates during the childbirth, allowing the passage of the newborn to the vagina. Which layer of the uterus thickens and sheds during the menstrual cycle? Myometrium, perimetrium, endometrium. It is the endometrium. Endometrium is the inner lining of the uterus that prepares for embryo implantation. If there is no fertilization, it sheds during the menstrual cycle. What are the finger-like projections that guide the egg into the tube? Fimbriae, myometrium, labia. It is the fimbriae. So this is the fimbriae, the finger-like projections that guide the egg that is formed in the ovary into the fallopian tube. Question number 7. Which structure serves as the birth canal? Urethra, vagina, ureter. The answer is vagina. Vagina is a flexible tube that leads from the cervix to the outside of the body that serves as a birth canal. What are the external folds of skin that protects the vaginal opening? Oviducts, follicles. It is the labia. Labia majora and minora acts as protective barriers for the vulva. Which hormone is primary regulator of female secondary sex traits? Testosterone, estrogen, progesterone. The female secondary traits are regulated by estrogen. Which uterine layer is made of smooth muscle used during labor? Option A, myometrium, B, metrium. It is the myometrium. Myometrium provides the force that is needed to expel the baby during birth. Egg develops during which phase? Ovulatory phase, follicular phase, luteal phase. It is during the follicular phase. Two hormones, primarily FSH and LH stimulate the production of eggs during follicular phase. What is the term for the monthly release of an egg from the ovary? Option A means fertilization, ovulation. It's called ovulation. Ovulation is the release of mature oocytes into the fallopian tube. Which glands produce milk to nourish a newborn? Adrenal gland, mammary gland, pituitary gland. It is the mammary glands, the glands that secrete milk after childbirth. What maintains the healthy productive acidic pH of the vagina? Sperm, bacteria, food. It is by the bacteria. Especially lactobacilli produces lactic acid to prevent infections. And the final question, what structures support and hold the uterus and ovaries in place? Option A, ligaments, tendons, cartilage. The answer is the ligaments. The ligaments anchor the organs within the pelvis. Comment your score below. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay blessed. You are with biologyexamsforyou.com.